Diving into a full review of Lead Hero. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
Limited time offer, claim your 25% discount now. Unlock explosive growth for your online business with Lead Hero, the ultimate trusted traffic solution. Experience unparalleled success in the make money online, work from home, and business opportunity niches with laser-targeted traffic. Are you tired of purchasing low-quality traffic that leads to poor conversions and wasted ad spend? Imagine a world where your marketing efforts generate consistent results, and your ROI skyrockets with every campaign. Well, the time has come to transform your business dreams into reality. Introducing our game-changing traffic optimization service, specifically designed for the make money online niche. We leverage our top-secret formula to deliver high-quality, laser-targeted traffic that converts like never before. Here's why our traffic stands out from the competition. Unparalleled audience targeting. Our proprietary algorithms ensure that your ads reach the most relevant audience, individuals who are actively searching for make money online opportunities. Say goodbye to poor targeting and hello to higher engagement rates. Cutting-edge behavioral analysis. We utilize advanced behavioral analysis to monitor user engagement and identify the most responsive users. This information allows us to optimize your traffic flow, maximizing conversions, and ensuring your marketing budget is spent efficiently. Real-time traffic adjustment. Our system is designed to continuously monitor and fine-tune your campaigns. This adaptive approach ensures that your traffic quality remains consistently high, delivering the best possible results for your business. Exclusive traffic sources. We've established long-term relationships with premium traffic providers, granting you access to exclusive, high-converting traffic that's unavailable elsewhere. The time has come to revolutionize your make money online campaigns. Don't miss out on the opportunity to harness the power of our optimized traffic and watch your conversions soar. Act now and take advantage of our limited time offer. Get 25% off your first order with Lead Hero trusted traffic. Isn't it time you experienced the full potential of your marketing campaigns? Reach out to us today, and let us show you the true meaning of optimized traffic. Meet Alex, a determined entrepreneur who wanted nothing more than to succeed in the online business world. Like many others, Alex faced the daunting challenge of finding high-quality traffic that would convert into leads and sales. After countless hours and money spent on various traffic sources, Alex was on the verge of giving up, until he discovered Lead Hero. In just a few short months, Alex's online business skyrocketed, all thanks to the power of Lead Hero's laser-targeted traffic. Now, Alex enjoys the freedom and success he always dreamed of. And guess what? You can achieve the same results with Lead Hero trusted traffic solution. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.